You ain't going on bike rides with me.
I'm afraid my crash.
You're afraid of bike rides crashing? Yeah, when's the last time you rode a bike?
With you.
No, I mean a bicycle.
With you.
You rode a bicycle with me?
We went for a bike ride. Remember in the tunnels?
We did?
I had to use the
Oh, when I was on
curb.
rollerblades?
I had to use the curb.
I was on rollerblades and you were on my bike?
I'm gonna bring some toys. Let's see what's the play.
I totally forgot about that.
Dad,
I forgot
We
about
rode to that park with the church right there.
Yeah, and then you rode back?
Dad, I'm gonna bring some toys out. He wants to play with them.
That was us. We did it as a family.
Dad, I'm gonna bring these in case